Hello everyone and welcome back. Today I'm going to share with you yet another delightful recipe that was well requested by a number of you wonderful people out there, and that is curry crab and dumpling. For those of you who do not know what curry crab and dumpling is, it is a very popular dish in Trinidad and Tobago, especially in Tobago where it was originated and eventually became the signature dish of Tobago. Today I will be cooking my curry crab in some fresh coconut milk, making it nice and spicy with a thick sauce, and pairing it up with some boiled and fried dumpling. So come with me, let's put this delightful dish together. Here I have the crab. I'll start by giving this a good wash. As you can see, the back has already been removed. Now let's start cleaning the inside. Using the tip of a knife, or you can use your fingers, remove that guts or that yellow stuff from inside there, and use your knife or your fingers as well to remove the slime from in there. Be gentle because you can easily remove the meat from in there as well. We go to the outside there now, and we're going to take out the gills or that straw-like thing on the outer portion there that serves no purpose in the pot. Now we're going to scrape those legs, making it nice and shiny, removing all the hair from the legs. And unfortunately we cannot wax these legs, guys. Look at that, nice and clean and shiny. Take off all the tips because there's no meat there, and of course it looks nicer in the pot. As we go along, we might see some hair, and you're going to scrape out any hair that you may see there. Give it a good wash with some lemon, rinse it, and now it's time to add some flavor in there. Here I have all the green seasoning that I'm going to use: celery, parsley, some fine thyme, green onion, bandania, hot pepper, pimento pepper, and some garlic. I'm going to place this in my the magic bullet, and here it is, nice and blended up. Give that some salt to taste, black pepper, sazon, and you can use any type of complete seasoning that you choose to. And of course, you know I have to use my ketchup. Yes, guys, don't bash me before you try the ketchup. Give this a good mix. Make sure all those flavors are well coated on each piece of that crab. Just like that. You see how nice and well coated it looks? Add some hot pepper, or you can omit the hot pepper if you choose to. Set this aside to marinate, and as I said, I'm going to use some fresh coconut milk. So let me start by getting the coconut together. Using my cutlass grater, I'm grating away this coconut. You can use your food processor, your hand grater, any one of your choice. And here it is, all nicely grated. I'm going to give this a good wash and get the coconut milk out. So here I have the coconut milk well rinsed out, squeezed out nicely, onion, pepper, the curry leaves, curry powder, turmeric powder, geera powder. In a hot pot now, we're going to start chunking up this. Add maithee or fenugreek. Allow this to get nice and toasted before we can add our pepper, onion, and curry leaves. So in goes these three ingredients. Just like that, and allow this to cook for just about 1 minute or so. Add the curry powder, geera, and turmeric. Now you add in some water, or you can add the water together with these dry ingredients. Give it a good stir like that. It will form a thick paste. You see how it's forming a nice thick paste now? You can add some more water if you choose to, or you can add some more oil. I choose to use the water because I tend to go light on oil. Cover this and allow this to cook for about 5 minutes until it turns nice and greeny. You want to cook this until it turns nice and greeny because you do not want a raw curry. If you have raw curry, you know what the consequences might be. So let's check this now. After 5-6 minutes or so, it is nice and greeny. As you can see here, look at that, guys, nice and greeny. Now we're going to add the well seasoned crab in there, and I'm going to use 2 spatulas and give this a good turn. It works better for me. Look at that. All the pieces of crab is well mixed in with that curry mixture there. Look at that. Take a look at it, guys. Looks really well coated. Cover down that for like about 2 minutes. This does not require a lot of cooking because it has no excess water to be dried up. Just about 2 minutes. As you can see, there is no water that has been released, like if we're cooking chicken, duck or goat or something like that. Now we're going to add some boiling water in there. Yes guys, boiling water in there. I'm going ahead and add my ochro. You can omit the ochro if you choose to. I did say I'm making it nice and spicy, so I'm going to add some additional wiri pepper in there. Of course, you can omit that as well. And in goes my fresh coconut milk. I'm just using about 1.5 cups of this coconut milk here. Give this a gentle stir, just like that. And we're going to cover this and allow it to cook for about 10 minutes. Let all that seasoning, everything infuse into the crab, and now we'll start with the dumpling. Here I have my all-purpose flour. Add some salt to taste and some butter. Mix this well until all the ingredients are well incorporated. Now we're going to add room temperature water. Mix little at a time to form a dough. Bring all the flour from outside into the middle. Continue mixing, mixing, mixing. We do not want a very soft dough. This is not roti we're making, it's dumpling we're making. So look at that. It has formed into a medium dough. And we're going to set this aside. Now let's check on this curry. As you can see, it's bubbling away there. And for those of you who follow me, you know I love using my parsley at the end. So here I have some dry parsley. I'm going to give it a gentle turn, cover this and allow it to finish off for like 2 minutes. Let's go start making our dumpling now. You can make your dumpling any size, any shape. I'm just making it the size of my palm. In Trinidad, we call this cow tongue dumpling. Look at that. It's a little bit soft, so I'm using some dry flour there. Look at that. Make all. I'm going to put this in some boiling water, which I did not record. Strain it and cut it up into some small pieces. And here is the final product of the curry crab. That sauce is nice and thick. I'm going to remove the okra because I do not want it mashing up in that pot. So the dumpling is done, and now it's about to fry them up in some golden ray butter. In that hot golden ray butter, add some onion, hot pepper, pimento, and some grated carrots. Here I have some scallion, but I would not be adding this into that hot golden ray. Give it a good turn for like about 2 minutes, and then add the cut up dumpling in there. Now we're adding the scallion in there. Give it a nice toss and make sure it is nice and flavorful. And again, I'm using my 2 spatulas because it works best for me. And look at that, guys. Look at that, how beautiful it looks. Different colors in there. Looks amazing. So let's start plating this up here. Here I have the dumpling cooked down with some vegetables in golden ray butter. And of course, the spicy curry crab cooked down in coconut milk. Nice and thick sauce there, no runny sauce there in my plate, guys. So if you like this video, please give me that nice big thumbs up, leave me a comment, let me know where you are looking on from, and I do hope you will subscribe to my channel and follow me on all my social media platforms. Thank you for watching. Have a blessed day and see you in my next video. Bye. Love you.